In this video I'll show you how to fix in case you get a black screen on your iPhone 17. So no matter what you press, nothing is working and the screen doesn't come up. So first thing you need to do, and I'll show you multiple tricks, but the first thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and you see this is volume up, this is volume down, and this is the power button. I want you to do a quick combination of volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Keep it pressed. Usually it takes at least 10-15 seconds, or at least until you see the Apple logo appearing on your display. Stay like this, keep it pressed. That's the only button I'm pressing currently. And once you see the Apple logo, release your finger from the button and the iPhone will boot up. It will take like a minute and a half and you'll be able to use it. This is the first thing that you can try. It only takes less than a minute. Now, if this didn't work, I suggest you try it at least 2 or even 3 times. For many people, it only worked the second time or the third time. So the other thing that you can try is to actually, I know it sounds a bit easy, but charge your phone, but charge it using another charger and cable, because maybe the problem is not your iPhone, it was actually the charger that wasn't working properly. So ask a friend, a family member, anyone around to borrow their charger that is working. So you know that it works with their phone, so it should work with yours as well. So go ahead, use another charger that uses another cable, plug it to your iPhone, plug it in your wall, and wait at least 30 minutes. Give it some time, make sure that the iPhone has enough time to get some juice. And after 30 minutes, go ahead and do what I showed you at first. So volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Redo that trick while it's charging, and you should see the Apple logo appearing. Release your finger from the button and it should boot up. If you're still having issues, another problem could be because of the charging port over here. There's dust, maybe there's hair, maybe there's dust, maybe there's, all sorts of debris when you put your phone in your pocket gets accumulated in this port. So you can take a compressed air can and simply blow over here. You can also blow with your mouth, but make sure to not spit inside. Take a toothpick or even one of these. It's a small brush used to clean many different things, and simply go on the walls, okay, of the charging port, okay? Put it inside and then go all the way around and try to see if there's gunk, there's anything coming out. Because if there's some dust that gets accumulated and you try to plug this cable inside, you're simply pushing that dust deep inside of the port, and at the point it's not even making the proper connection to charge your phone. So after you clean it, go ahead, charge it, and fortunately it will solve your issue. Another thing you can try, and that's the last tip I have for you, is to press the volume up and the power button, both of these, for at least 20 seconds. This is another way to force your iPhone to wake up. And yeah, this is about it. If one of these tricks worked, please leave a comment down below. I'm really curious, and I'm sure other people will be very curious to see that it actually working. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.